Welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about programming languages. A programming language is a special type of language that we use to tell computers what to do. It's like giving instructions in a way that computers can understand. Just like how we use words and sentences to talk to each other, programmers use programming languages to communicate with computers. These languages have their own set of rules and symbols that we need to follow. Some programming languages are simpler, making them easier for beginners to learn, while others are more complex and powerful, allowing for more control over the computer's hardware and performance. Examples of programming languages include Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript, each serving different purposes and application areas. Programming languages enable us to create various kinds of software, from simple scripts and web applications to complex operating systems and scientific simulations. They are the tools that help us turn our ideas into reality by providing instructions that computers can execute to perform specific tasks. So, that's all for this lesson. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.